गं गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गङ्गां गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गङ्गां गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ नमस्ते, वणक्कम, स्वागतम, bonjour, buongiorno, buonasera. Shubh Dinam Suprabhat. Wishing all my beloved yoga family worldwide a very prosperous, abundant, joyful, healthy Vinayagar Chaturthi or Ganesh Puja. Lord Sri Vinayaka, the Vigna Raja, the obstacle to all the obstacles, is celebrated today in this part of the world. Lord Ganesha is that universal energy, an energy that enables us to break through the tamasika inertia that holds us back from being the best version of ourselves. Param Pujya Ammaji, Meenakshi Devi Bhavanani, has defined Ganesha as the obstacle to the obstacles. What a beautiful way to understand this universal divine energy. The Maha Mantra of Om Ghang Ganapataye Namaha is very well brought out in the Ganesha Atharva Sirsha, which is part of the Atharva Veda and being part of the Bhrigu Vamsa, the lineage of Maharishi Bhrigu through Swami Geetananda Giri and his Guru Yoga Maharishi Swami Kanakananda Bhrigu. The Atharvana Veda has great importance to us as the source of all tantric teachings. The Ganesha Atharva Sirsha so beautifully tells us that this Maha Mantra is to be recited with heartfulness, from the heart, with feeling, emotion, but also meaning and devotion. It is said, Om Gakara Purva Rupam Akaro Madhyama Rupam Anuswaras Chanta Rupam Bhindurutta Rupam Nada Sandhanam Sahita Sandhihi Shesha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishihi Nichrud Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata Om Ganganapataye Namaha Ekadantāya vidmahi vakratundāya dhīmahi tanno dhanti prachodayate. Om Ekadantam chaturhastam pashamankushadharinam abhayam varadam hastam bibhranam moshikadhvajam raktam lambhodaram shurpakarnakam raktavasasam raktagandhanuliptangam Raktapushpai Supujitam Bhaktanukampinam Devam Jagatkaranamachyutam Avirbhutam Cha Shrishtyadho Prakriti Purushadparam Evam Dhyayena Yo Nityam Sayogi Yoginam Varaha. Om Namo Vradapataye Namo Ganapataye Namah Pramadapataye Namaste astu Lambhodaraye Ekadantaye Vigna Vinashine Shivasutaye Shri Varadamurtaye Namo Namaha. Hari Om. May Lord Ganesha bless us all with abundance, joy, success, prosperity, good health, as so beautifully put in the Ganesha Pancharatna. Arogatam adoshatam susahitim suputratam samahitayurashtabhutim apyupaiti sochirat. May Lord Ganesha bless us all, and may we be worthy of the divine grace of the universal divinity as manifesting through Vignaraja, Lord Ganesha, Ganapati, Gananathaya, and may we continue to grow and glow with the grace of the Almighty and the grace of our Gurus. Daiva Anugraha and Guru Kripa. Hari Om Tat Sat.